Hello everyone, welcome back to my CUBIG video. This latest update was dropped in the official Telegram channel yesterday. Today is 17th of July, so I am just getting around to record this video for those people that have not seen the update. But I believe that 70, maybe 80% of my team members in CUBIG would have seen this update. So that being said, let me dive right in and share the updates with you. Yesterday, as I said, in the official Telegram channel of CUBIG, they dropped this update. Okay, and the update reads: what is RU? Starting today, your account will show a new indicator, RU, meaning reward unit. It represents your estimated earnings based on the tasks you complete and friends you refer on CUBIG. And then they said 1 RU, which is 1 reward unit, is equivalent to $9.99. And they said this is your future ad sharing earnings. And then they give an example that if you have, for example, 85 RU, your estimated income will be $850. And then there are a few more information below that. How to earn your RU, which is your reward unit. Just 2 simple ways: complete daily ads and tasks, invite friends to join and complete tasks. And they said everything is free. There is no payment that is required for you to do what they have asked you to do or to follow those 2 simple steps. They said just take action and complete tasks to earn your RU. RU reflects your future income. The more consistent your effort, the more stable your earnings. That is what they are saying. That is the latest update in CUBIG. Now remember, before now, that they told us that we are going to be earning on $9.99 when we complete 100 points, okay, in a week. That was the original information they gave us. And then later on, after that, they made a lot of changes that does not correspond to what they said before. And then today or yesterday, they dropped this message saying that they are going to consider rewarding everybody using the total number of RU, which is your reward unit that you have earned. So guys, this is still brand new to everybody. I started this platform 2 months ago. So if you look at the date there, you will see when I registered. That is on the 10th, okay, of May. That is when I registered, and we are now in July. So that is 2 months and 7 days, because today is 17th, right? So 2 months and 7 days that I have been in this platform. I have only received $16. And within this $16, I have only been able to make a withdrawal of $8. I made another withdrawal yesterday of another $8, but that has not been processed because it takes 3 days for them to process withdrawal. So please guys, go to your account and go to the finance reward section and then look for the amount of RU that you have accumulated. Now, as I said, RU is a reward unit that you get based on your daily tasks that you complete in CUBIG. If you are still in CUBIG and completing your daily tasks, you are sure to earn RU. Right? So that is the update, guys. I just thought I should let you guys know about this update. Sorry, my background is quite noisy because where I am is very noisy area. I just thought it would be nice for me to drop this latest update for you guys. Right? So I look forward to seeing you in my next CUBIG video. Thank you and God bless. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they will know the latest updates from yesterday's meeting that they organized in CUBIG official Telegram channel. Thank you. God bless.